Hello guys, good afternoon or good morning. This is Peter. So I did a video like 2 days ago, and I just wanted to show you the aftermath of this snowstorm. And it started last night, so we did all the shoveling, and this is what is happening. You see here, all this sidewalk. Last time I told you everything was covered, but right now it is pretty much you can't see anything. So we had the snow plows, and if I measure, I just wanted to use this one and measure officially and see how much officially we get. I'm trying to use this tape measure. I might not go all the way to the ground. So the way here, this is 6 inches. So we got 6 inches of snow, and that's no joke. So as you can see, all the way it's been cleaned up, and this is something which happens every year. So if you are planning to come to the United States, January all the way to end of February is not a very good time. I can not advise. You can try, but that's the time when it is very cold, and it's a little bit expensive, to cope around. So what I'm thinking is, see the way it looks. And now they're talking about another snowstorm coming on Friday. So we have to be prepared. Actually, this morning I wanted to shovel my driveway, but my snowblower got broken. The cable was broken, and taken it today to the guy who fixes my equipment. I had to fix it. So I did a lot of digging. And if you see here, this is how big this snow is. You see, this one has been rolled out. This is how this big snow is. So if I try to measure again, this one here, if I try to measure this one all the way down, it's actually 6 inches, like I said. See? 6 inches. So that's what we go through. And but not complaining. And what happens here, every household, you see people over the other streets, everywhere. Everybody comes out. Even the guy over there by the stop sign, he just came out and is trying to clean up. Now, looking at this, so the reason I brought you outside here is there are opportunities which, if you are new in the United States, this is some of the jobs, the yard, landscaping. You can start a very good business and make a lot of money during the winter. So what you do is get your own truck and a trailer, buy some equipment, a snow blower, and a few items, and then get a very basic training. Then you can start blowing snow like these sidewalks. You get a contract, and you start shoveling the snow for people or businesses. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Pick and Save, you can go to Home Depot, you can go to Sam's Club, all type. You can go to restaurants and try to clean up, their sidewalks. So they give you a contract, and once you accept the contract, you can come and clear every time, and then you get paid. So it's a very good business, but you have to be hard-working guy, and make sure everything is done promptly. That's one of the business. And also during summer, you can do business for cutting grass. And because if I can take you back here again, let me take you back here. You see this is the grass. So once the snow melts up, and come May, spring, starting from March all the way to August, the grass grows back. It's very green. You can take care of the grass, and people around here they really like to take care of their stuff, like the yard and stuff like that. And if you can get the equipment and get some contracts, then you will stand at a very better chance of getting a job. So I'm speaking to those people who wants to come from Africa, who want a green card or a winning green card, or come legal means. This is one of the opportunities where you need to look and do some more research before you can jump into it. But make sure when you find your way, come in the right way, get your permit, make sure you're doing everything legally. So guys, this is the aftermath. I wanted to show you the way things look, and if you have any questions, let me know. And we are expecting another big snowstorm coming this Friday, and I think I'm prepared because I already serviced my snow blower, and when it comes, I'll get out with my shovel and everything, and I will clean my driveway. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope I will see you in the next video.